Have you ever wondered why some powerlifters sniff ammonia powder? It's a question that has intrigued many, and today we're going to unravel the mystery. Ammonia, or ammonium carbonate, is a colorless gas with a distinctive smell that you're likely familiar with, even if you don't realize it. It's a prevalent industrial chemical, and you'll find it in a multitude of everyday items, from cleaning products to fertilizers. But it doesn't stop there. You'll also find ammonia inside your own body. Our bodies generate this compound naturally, utilizing it in various physiological processes, including as a precursor for amino acids. Furthermore, ammonia is a natural component of our environment, playing a crucial role in many of the world's ecosystems. Yet for some reason, powerlifters and other athletes have taken to sniffing this common, yet curious substance. So, why do powerlifters sniff this common, yet peculiar substance? Let's dive in. To understand why powerlifters use ammonia, we first need to know what ammonia is. Ammonia, scientifically known as ammonium carbonate, is a colorless gas that carries a distinct, sharp odor. This smell might be familiar to you as it's a common component in many household cleaning products. But it's not just limited to your cleaning cupboard. It's also a key ingredient in the fertilizer that helps your garden grow. Now, you might be surprised to know that ammonia is not an alien substance to our bodies. In fact, our bodies produce ammonia naturally. It plays a crucial role in a number of biological processes, especially as a precursor to amino acids, the building blocks of proteins. This internal production of ammonia is a testament to its importance in maintaining our bodily functions. But ammonia's reach extends beyond our homes and our bodies. It's a naturally occurring compound in our environment too. It's found in the air, soil, and water, playing a significant role in the Earth's nitrogen cycle, and thereby contributing to the growth and life of plants and animals. In terms of industrial uses, ammonia is one of the most widely produced chemicals worldwide. It's used in the manufacture of a variety of products, including plastics, dyes, and explosives. It's also used in the treatment of drinking water and wastewater, and in the refrigeration industry as a cooling agent. Despite its extensive uses, ammonia is perhaps most famously known in the realm of sports, particularly in powerlifting circles. It's here that ammonia takes on a different form as smelling salts. These are not your average table salts, but a powdered form of ammonia gas encapsulated in small, breakable capsules. So, why do powerlifters and athletes turn to these smelling salts? It's all about enhancing performance and pushing their physical limits. But before we delve into that, it's important to grasp the fundamental understanding of what ammonia is and how it exists in our world. Now that we know what ammonia is, let's look at how it's used in the world of powerlifting. Powerlifters, heavyweight lifters, and even professional football players are well known for sniffing ammonia. Now, the ammonia they use is not the common household variety. Instead, these athletes are using a specific form known as smelling salts. But what are smelling salts exactly? Well, they're essentially ammonia gas that has been converted into a powder form. This conversion process isn't overly complicated. It involves the gas being absorbed into a solid medium, like baking soda, to create a powder. It's this powder that's then placed into small capsules or packets, ready for use. These packets are small, convenient, and easy to use, making them a popular choice among athletes. They're also widely available. You don't need to go to a specialty sports store to find them. In fact, you can probably find the very same capsules at your local drugstore. But let's get back to the main question here. Why do powerlifters and other athletes choose to use these smelling salts? What benefit could possibly be derived from sniffing a substance that's more commonly associated with cleaning products or industrial use? Well, the primary reason is to boost performance. By sniffing these salts right before a lift or a play, athletes are able to temporarily increase their strength and alertness, allowing them to perform at their absolute best. In a sport like powerlifting, where every ounce of strength counts, this can make a significant difference. Additionally, smelling salts are thought to help with muscle soreness and pain. By reducing these discomforts, athletes can focus more on their performance and less on their aches and pains. This again can indirectly improve their performance, allowing them to lift heavier weights or play harder. But why do these athletes go to the trouble of using ammonia in this way? Let's find out. The ultimate reason why most athletes sniff smelling salts is to boost their athletic performance and maximize their abilities. And in the world of powerlifting, this translates to hoisting heavier weights and pushing through performance plateaus. But how exactly does this work? When powerlifters inhale the strong scent of ammonia from smelling salts, it triggers an inhalation reflex. This reflex causes the muscles that control breathing to work faster, leading to an increased heart rate. As a result, more oxygen gets delivered to the brain. This sudden rush of oxygen can provide a temporary boost of energy and alertness, which can be the difference between a successful lift and a failed one. It's like a jolt of adrenaline, waking up the senses and preparing the body for extreme exertion. It's not a magic potion that suddenly grants superhuman strength, but rather a tool that helps athletes maximize the strength they've worked hard to develop. Powerlifters often use smelling salts right before a big lift, capitalizing on that momentary increase in alertness and focus to push their bodies to the limit. But the benefits of ammonia for powerlifters aren't limited to just performance enhancement. It can also serve as a tool for pain management. Specifically, it can help alleviate muscle soreness and body aches, which are inevitable side effects of their rigorous training regimen. The sharp, pungent scent of ammonia can distract the brain from pain signals, providing temporary relief from discomfort. This is why you might see powerlifters sniffing smelling salts in between sets or after a heavy lift. By helping to manage their pain, powerlifters can continue training effectively without being constantly held back by aching muscles and joints. It's important to note, however, that the use of ammonia is not a substitute for proper recovery and pain management strategies. It can provide temporary relief, but it's not a cure-all solution. Regular rest, proper nutrition, and professional medical advice should always be the primary strategies for dealing with muscle soreness and body aches. So while the use of ammonia can indeed offer some significant benefits for powerlifters, it's not without its caveats. It's a tool that can enhance performance and manage pain, but it should be used responsibly and in conjunction with other proven strategies for athletic success. And that's the crux of it. Ammonia, or more accurately smelling salts, can be a useful tool in a powerlifter's arsenal. It can help them lift heavier, push harder, and train longer. But like any tool, its effectiveness depends on how it's used. So the use of ammonia can offer some significant benefits for powerlifters. But what does the science say about this practice? The science behind sniffing ammonia is quite fascinating. To truly understand why powerlifters sniff ammonia, it's essential to delve into the body's physiological response to the substance. When inhaled, ammonia gas irritates the membranes of the nose and lungs, triggering an involuntary reflex that draws more air into the lungs. This sudden surge of oxygen-rich air jolts the body into a state of heightened alertness and arousal. Now let's weave this into the context of powerlifting. The sport demands intense focus, explosive strength, and the ability to push through physical discomfort. A sniff of ammonia, with its sharp, penetrating odor, provides a sensory shock that can help athletes break through mental and physical barriers. It's like a bolt of lightning, sparking the body and mind into high gear at the exact moment it's needed most. In addition, the ammonia-induced rush of oxygen plays a crucial role. Oxygen is a key player in the process of cellular respiration, where it helps convert glucose into energy within the body's cells. More oxygen means more energy can be produced quickly, potentially giving athletes that extra push they need when lifting heavy weights. Furthermore, the use of ammonia can also be related to the body's pain response. The gas's potent smell stimulates the production of endorphins, the body's natural painkillers. These chemicals help to dull pain and induce feelings of euphoria, which can be beneficial in a high-intensity, physically strenuous sport like powerlifting. However, it's important to note that while ammonia can provide a temporary performance boost, it's not a magic potion for strength. Proper training, nutrition, and rest remain the pillars of athletic success. And, like any tool, ammonia should be used responsibly, as excessive use can lead to health issues. So that's why some powerlifters sniff ammonia powder. It's all about boosting performance and reducing pain.